What's up, guys? This is a new day here in the shop. Got a little bit of a different one for you. For all you parents out there that have student drivers, yeah, you ever have that feeling like you could get that phone call at any minute? Yeah, I got that phone call last night. My daughter called me from work, said that her car wasn't driving right.
Okay.
I said, well, what did it do? She says, well, I took a corner and I slid around the corner and I hit the curb with the tire.
Slingshot engaged.
And then she sent me a picture of it. I said, yeah, so you probably shouldn't be driving that. That is not street legal, street safe. Stop driving it.
Okay.
It's on the driver's side though. So she had to slide clear across the intersection, one way or the other, and hit the curb on the opposite side of the road. Which, you know, we've all been drivers at that age at one time, and it was always fun to do a little Tokyo drifting going around corners. You know, little e-brake style. I know we've all done it. You can't say you haven't done it.
Are you sure?
Well, apparently my daughter is doing it. She ain't gonna tell me.
You can't handle the truth.
She said that she slid, controlled slide around that corner. I said, well, if it was controlled, you wouldn't have hit that freaking curb.
You're right.
Kind of proud of her, actually. Just, you know, following daddy's lead of destroying cars when we were teenagers.
Would you look at this?
I just thought it was kind of funny that, you know, it was a controlled slide. Well, what is a controlled slide? Controlled slide is you're sliding around a corner and you're coming into the corner and you know exactly what it's going to do the entire time. A 17-year-old girl is not going to know how to do a controlled slide going around a corner. Proud dad moment for her trying.
Is looking at you, kid.
That's the only way you're going to learn is if you try. Now, to do it in a Nissan Murano?
No. No. No, 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 no.
I don't know if that's the best car to do that in. Let's go look at this car. I'll show you what I got. So it's a 2003 Nissan Murano. Nothing special. Good teenage car. You know, this is the kind of car that you could just not really care about too awful much.
Okay.
I went to her work over there to check out and see what it looked like.
Here's Johnny.
Pretty sure that tire ain't supposed to be pointed that direction, little girl. So I played it off a little bit, acted like I was a little upset. All reality, I was smiling, being a proud dad, doing what we do, making kids who they are, you know. So, anyways, let's put that thing up on a lift and see what she bent. I feel like there's a little wiggly back there for some reason. There's a good thing there's a lot of snow out there, as that tire would be wore out in 2 blocks. You gotta love your children. So I've been walking around this car, kind of looking it over and seeing what all, just leading up to that moment. What do you think about that? Huh? Yeah, brown dog? Yeah? See how that thing is bent there? I'm pretty sure that's called a control arm. Don't quote me on this because I'm a contractor, not a mechanic. If you look over on this side, you can see how straight that thing is compared to how this one is. Yeah, she pretty much tacoed it. But I don't see anything else in there bent. Or is it working? We might have just got lucky on that one. So yeah, feel pretty lucky about that for the first mistake that she's made in a car. And yeah, any parents out there have this same problem? Comment down below and tell me your experience. That thing needs to get back on the road because if not, I have to give her a ride to school. And when I go to work at 7, the 8 o'clock thing does not work for me. After I've already went to work, come back, pick her up, drive her to school, pick her up at lunchtime, bring her back to the house, bring her back to school, pick her up after school, bring her back here. Yeah, that car needs to run. So I got a new control arm coming. That should be here in the morning. Since I didn't see anything else, I ain't replacing anything else. Maybe give it an oil change. I know she has a leak up on the power steering up in front that I need to take a look at.
Tomorrow.
So we ran into a couple problems. I went and picked up the control arm that we ordered from Napa. Well, it was the wrong one.
You're killing me, Smalls.
The part that they got me was this control arm. I need this control arm. This is the only piece that is not stocked from Napa, CarQuest, O'Reilly's. For some reason, I could buy it from Walmart.
Come again?
For some reason, I could buy it from Walmart.
Everybody knows you never go full retard.
They don't even got part numbers for it. It is not even in their computer. You get this control arm, you get the A-arm, you get the spring, you get the axle, you get the outer hub, you get this radius arm, you get sway bar. You get every part right there to rebuild that whole thing, except for that one part that they make that's supposed to be able to crush so you ain't taking that impact. See how that's designed right there to take the crumple? Not one of them have it. They don't even got a part number listed for it.
Are you kidding me?
So I had to order it through Nissan, and it's going to be $45 shipping, $135 part.
You gotta be kidding me.
So what I was thinking is if I bent it back straight and welded a piece of metal across top of it, that it'd work.
Nope.
But then getting that perfect geometry because it's already been bent, I don't think you could get that spacing just right. So I'm stuck waiting for that part. So it looks like I'm giving her a ride to school for a couple days. So that's probably going to do it for now. Obviously, I ain't going to be able to fix that today. So like, subscribe, do all the ding-dong things that YouTube wants you to do. And don't forget, if you don't start a project, you damn sure ain't going to finish one. So get off your ass, go start a project. That was my project, and Nissan screwed me. We'll be seeing you guys later.